In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix apps not showing on home screen on Samsung. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And what you want to go ahead and do, obviously I'm on my home screen right now, but let's say you've just installed an app from your Play Store and it's not appearing on your home screen. What you want to do is swipe up in the middle of your screen, and this is going to show your app selecting area. This is going to show every single application that you currently have installed. So let's say I want to drag something to my home screen. What I'm going to do is go ahead and find it. Let's say I wanted to do it with the Opera GX application. Go ahead and long press on it. I'm going to see add to home as one of the options, or I can just long press on it even longer, and then it's automatically going to go to my home screen, and then I can move it right there. What I could also go ahead and do is a long press in an empty area on my home screen, and on the bottom right I'm going to see settings. So go ahead and click on that, scroll down, and you're going to see hide apps on home and apps screen. Now if any apps are hidden right here, it's going to show you every installed app. So if any of these are checked, these are basically going to be hidden. So if you want to unhide them, just go ahead and uncheck them, and then you'll be good to go. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Just make sure everything is unhidden, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.